Saturday before 4th of July, and we're heading to Torch Lake Sandbar. It's like noon right now. I'm actually kind of surprised. There's a fair number of cars lined up, but not as many as I expected there to be. It's also the first day of the air show in Traverse City, so maybe there's just a lot of people going to that. But it does look like the Sandbar has a few boats on it. You can't really see it through there, but we've seen so many police officers already just in this like little stretch. So Antrim County, Kalkaska County, State Police, like, thank you guys for keeping us safe. That's pretty awesome. Look at, there's a bunch of them packed up in there. Got to keep the crazies contained, I guess.
Okay, you're not allowed in there.
Yeah, look at all the police cars lined up in there. Look at more state police right there.
Dude!
There are so many. Torch does get pretty wild, so it's really nice to see the police presence out here, for sure. Look at the line of boats.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna be... Did you see the line of cars coming into Traverse City on your way out on 72?
Oh!
Everybody's trying to go into the air show.
Dude, that's a flag right there. Since we have the kids, we had to move the boat over a little bit, and I forgot my drone in the car, so don't know that I'll be flying any today, maybe later. Bummed. I have no idea what we're looking at here. That thing is sweet. Look at the motors are out of the water, and it's still like moving. How did that get all the way over there?
I needed it!
Yeah. You yeeted it? Did that hit Kate in the head? That was my fault, sorry. It's July 2nd on the Torch Lake Sandbar. I'm not sure if I'm gonna come out tomorrow during the day or not. Maybe, so like, subscribe, and I'll definitely be out on the 4th.